Do you feel that I'm cutting, do you feel that I'm cutting freely? Do you feel that I'm freely cutting the way I want? And do you feel that? I don't think that you're actually doing anything or cutting any type of way, any good. I just don't get it. I don't get it. I don't feel like you're doing anything to help any of us in any type of way. I just don't get it. What you're doing right now, you're sitting there, you're standing there in front of my face, and you got me out here looking like a total idiot. Ask anybody here. Ask anybody here. When I came in watching YouTube, you can ask anybody. You know, you inspired me. But the stuff that you're putting out today, man, is a bunch of garbage, bro. You gotta be more responsible. Let's be honest. You gotta be more responsible. So if I come over there and actually teach you step by step how to cut hair, you're not gonna hit me. All right? I'm all about love, man. I just want to show you how to cut hair. That's it. All right? So if I come over there, I just want to show you how to cut hair, bro. You gotta be more responsible. To start this haircut off, I'm going to be using my Andis Slimline Pro LIs, and I'm going to set in my bald line. Now, the reason that you guys are not seeing me debulk and take off bulk first is because doing it this way, it saves me time. All right, when I cut hair, I want to be as fast as possible. I don't want to use too many steps. I don't want to use too many steps. So that's the reason why I go straight in and, you know, I set in my bald line this way. This step right here, easy. All I'm doing is balding out using my Andis cordless BGRCs and just taking off the rest of the bulk at the bottom. Right now I'm going to create another transition using my Bronze Series 9s. This makes the very bottom, you know, of the head bald. All right, it's like razor bald. So that's what I'm doing, just creating another transition. So the next step, using my Wall cordless seniors with the one guard open, I'm just gonna debulk, okay? I'm using my comb, using it as a guideline to where I wanna stop, and I'm just going straight up.
HustleDreamProduction.
So with the two guard open, I'm going straight up, just visualizing everything as if this was a high top. So with the clipper over comb technique, I'm just going up with the comb, kind of visualizing it as a high top. Basically, the idea is to get the shape right. Any hair that's sticking out, you're running it over with the clipper. Now with the lever open, I'm starting off kind of at an angle, and I'm gonna get wider as I go back. I'm going up about 1 inch, but as you can see, when I go close to the lineup, it's kind of like at a slant. So that way I kind of keep the lineup dark. So right now I'm just going up about 1 inch all the way around. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So with the one guard, I'm just making sure everything is the same length. You don't have to, but I'm just using, cautious measures, and I'm just gonna, go all the way around just to see if everything is the same length. So with the zero guard close, using my Oster's fast feeds in a flick out motion, I'm just gonna flick out that middle line. Now the reason why I'm using my fast feeds is because the fast feeds are a slower motor, and I feel like it cuts off less than the seniors. So I feel like it would give a better blend. Matter of fact, for me, it does give a better blend, like flicking out with my fast feeds. So that's why I'm using my fast feeds.
HustleDreamProduction.
So with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Now keep in mind, as you go up, you're gonna have to open up the blade just a little bit, you know what I mean? Once you go into that lever open. So I still see the line at the bottom, so I'm gonna take my wall cordless seniors with the lever closed and flick out the bottom line a little bit more. I was able to zero gap my seniors like as if it was liner, so that's why I was able to take it out. Right now I'm just, taking that extra step, using my liners, and just, really detailing that bottom line, making sure it's out. So after you're done blending, setting in your guidelines, whatever you did to get to this point, you always want to do some detailed work. That's what I'm doing. I got my one guard open, cleaning up that area at the top. I see some bulk in some areas, so I'm just attacking those areas as I go. Right now I'm pinning up my client's hair using these duck clips, and I'm gonna clipper over comb my client's front line. It's a lot of weight in the front area, so I want it to be real crisp when I line it, so I'm just clipper over combing it. YouTube, this is The Cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. If you guys liked any tool that you've seen in this video and you want to find out where you could get it, please check out the link in the description below. But otherwise, it's your boy 360Jeezy and I'm out of here. Cheers!